Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make adorable mini crayon box custom party favors using Canva. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to design your very own fun and eye-catching crayon box template, perfect for parties, events, or just as a creative project. This is a great way to add a personal touch to your party favors, and it's really satisfying to see your design come to life. So let's dive right in. Now I actually have a custom mini crayon box already finished, but just for this demonstration, we're going to build a sample template from scratch together in Canva. That way, I can show you each step and explain the little details that make your crayon box look polished and professional. Let's start by creating the base shape. Open Canva and select a blank design. First, grab a square from the Shapes panel on the left side. We want our crayon box to look like the real thing, so we're going to stretch the square out to make it longer, kind of like turning a regular Post-it into a fun, colorful crayon box. Once you have that elongated rectangle, go ahead and copy it twice so you have 3 in total. These will represent the crayons inside the box, so try changing each shape to a different color, maybe a bright red, yellow, and blue. This not only creates that classic crayon set look, but also adds a pop of excitement and variety to your design. Next up, let's build the actual box around our crayons. Select another basic shape, another rectangle works great for this, and resize it so it wraps neatly around your crayons. This might take a little fiddling, so take your time matching up the edges. Think of this like wrapping a tiny gift. Everything looks better when the edges are clean and the fit is just right. Now, to make the design even more convincing, we'll add in a few more small shapes to represent things like the lid or a window on the front of the box. Don't worry if things aren't lining up perfectly at first, just nudge your shapes around until you're happy with how it looks. These little tweaks really do make a huge difference. It's a bit like decorating a cake. Those finishing touches are what everyone remembers. Of course, every crayon box needs a label. Click on the text tool and add the word crayon right at the top of your box cover. Try to use a bold, playful font that really stands out. Imagine what would catch a kid's eye on a shelf. You can have fun adjusting the size and color. After all, this is custom, so make it reflect the party theme or your personal style. For the final creative touch, let's bring in some graphics. Head to the Elements tab and search for unicorn. There are usually lots of colorful unicorn illustrations. Just drag your favorite one onto the design and position it anywhere you like on the box. Graphics like unicorns aren't just cute, they help tie your party theme together and make each favor extra special. And that's all there is to it. You've just designed your own mini crayon box party favor in Canva from scratch. Remember, it might take a few tries to get everything lined up the way you like, but don't worry, that's all part of the creative process. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another party favor you'd like to learn about. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy designing.